Hi, welcome to another episode of FocusERP, and today we're gonna show you how to add an inventory into our system. To do that, we'll go to menu procurement and then scroll down here to inventory and then select new inventory. Select that. And you will be presented with this screen where you can now enter your part number. For example, I'm going to enter 4 dash, say 01-08 as an example. And the remaining info that we need to fill in is the location is Maine. We need to fill in what source this inventory is from, whether it's a manufactured item or a purchased item. So we'll select purchased, and we can fill in the item description. Here would be just maybe 1.5 inch bolt as an example. So the remaining information we could select, it is a hardware. Each, it's not serial tracking. Weight, we'll just put in a very small weight, let's say 0.1 pound. No bill of materials associated with it, and the remaining stuff we don't have to fill in for now. If you do have a picture to add, you can select browse here to add a picture. So for now, let's just assume this page is correct and hit save. And you could see that insert successful. So we have successfully created this new part for 1.5 inch bolt. And we do have additional tabs that appear here where we could add additional information to it. Let's go to the vendor detail tab, where we're going to add where this product can be purchased from. We know it will come from a distributor called Greg as an example, and the Greg distributor shows up. Then we can put in the price. As an example, it costs $10, and the lead time, say 1 day. And if there's a vendor part number, we can enter it here as well. It's not required. And all you have to do is just click add items. So that has been successfully added, Greg distributor, and we could close this window now. And you could see Greg is the default vendor that has been added to this part. The next thing that we'll like to do is do what's called click on accounting detail tab. This is where we could enter the pricing for sales price. There are two currencies happen to be for this particular item, for this particular installation. We will have, for example, Canadian currency, where we're going to sell this item at $15 for Canadian price, and we could sell it at $11 at USD. Okay, once that's done, all the other information by default has been set up. No need to change anything. We just click save. We're done with pricing. All right, so the next tab to look at is the location tab. So click on here. We're gonna click on add new to add a new location to this particular item where we're going to store it. So here it's stored in Maine, and then we will include it in our available counts, and then the quantity for currently is at 0. We don't have any in our on-hand quantity, and click save, and we're done. We have successfully set up an inventory or a part whereby we have entered all the necessary information for this particular part. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.